Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on your school Chromebook. School devices often have strict internet filters and software restrictions, making it challenging to access your favorite games. We understand the frustration of wanting to unwind with a quick game during a break, but finding a consistent method can be tricky. Many common tricks are quickly discovered and blocked by IT, so we need a robust solution. The most reliable method involves using a dedicated unblocked games website. These platforms are specifically designed to host popular games like Subway Surfers in a way that often bypasses school network restrictions. You simply open your browser, type in the website address, and then search for the game. It's a straightforward approach that has proven effective for many students seeking a quick gaming session. Once you've found Subway Surfers on the unblocked site, simply click on its icon to start playing. The game will typically load directly within your browser window. You'll use your keyboard's arrow keys to control your character, navigating through the subway tracks and dodging obstacles. It's a simple and intuitive control scheme, allowing you to jump right into the action and enjoy the game during your free moments. While this method is effective, remember to play responsibly. Always be aware of your school's internet usage policies and ensure you are not disrupting your learning environment. Prioritize your schoolwork above all else. Also, be aware that even unblocked sites can occasionally be discovered and blocked, so it's a good idea to have one or two alternative sites in mind, just in case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.